Hi, and welcome to part 2 of passive income ideas that you can do in 2022. So this is the second part of passive income ideas. I have already shared some passive income ideas in part 1 that you can find here or in the description box down below. Ensure that you check it out. Here I shared more about what passive income ideas are, and the ideas I shared there are related to it. So you investing some cash or having some capital investment before you start generating revenue. In this video, we will be concentrating more on ideas that do not require huge capital outlay. However, they require some of your time and effort to set them up upfront before they start generating revenue for you. So if you would like to know more side hustle ideas and passive income ideas that you can get in 2022, ensure that you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right next to it so that you get notified whenever I bring up new content on this topic. In the meantime, you can check out my side hustles and entrepreneurship playlist on my channel to see some ideas that I've already discussed. And with that out of the way, let us get into the 9 passive income ideas that I'm going to share with you today. So the first idea I have for you is to create and sell templates. So if you have a template that you've been working to achieve some productivity in your area, in any area of your life, say a business plan that you have used and has worked for you, if you can fine-tune it such that it's easy for everyone to use, you can sell them on places like Creative Market, on Etsy, on Envato. You can sell website templates, you can sell meal planner, you can sell a budgeting tool, a budgeting plan, business plan, different templates that people can use with little to no instruction at all. These are good ways to make money. One of the things I like about templates is that you create them once and they earn recurring revenue for you. You can only probably have upgraded versions from time to time. Say you have a version 1, after a period of time, based on feedback you've received, you create a second version, and that's where you are still earning revenue. You don't need to be monitoring them. There are some templates also that you can create on Canva. You can design them in Canva. If you're not good with graphics design, create them on Canva, ensure that they are attractive and simple enough for anybody to use, and you can start earning your revenue. However, you might need to invest some money in marketing these templates so that you can get enough revenue from them on a month-to-month basis. So this next one is something that I love because I once thought about the idea when I was living in Lagos. I was thinking, okay, what if as a private car owner you could earn some money as you drive around just by advertising, probably have a signpost on your car or something. And I'm happy to see it happening in the US already. So with vehicle advertising, you get paid to advertise on your car as you drive around. So you can have stickers on your car, you can have signposts on your car as you drive around. And a good platform for this is like Rapify, Nickelodeon, and Carvertise. So you check them out and see if this is something that is a good fit. If you drive up to 30 miles per day and you don't mind having adverts on your car, then this is a good one for you. Make money while you drive. Like with Nickelodeon, you can earn up to $250 per campaign. Some drivers also earn as much as $500 on a campaign. So if you don't mind having stickers on your car, then this is a good one for you. So if you like taking pictures of people, travel, nature, cities, or you're a full-time photographer, then this next one might interest you, which is for you to sell photos to earn revenue. You can sell your photos on sites like Alamin, SmugMug Pro, Deposit Photos, Adobe Shutterstock. I'm going to also link them down below so you can check them out as well. So some of these pictures, you're paid as people download, as people purchase them. You get a percentage of income on all those photos. Some of these pictures are printed on mugs, on phone cases, on wallpapers. Like the TV wallpaper in my house also displays the names of the photographers when displaying. So that's a good way to earn money. And for Adobe, you earn between 20 to 30% of income when people purchase and download your products on their sites. So if you love pictures, rather than having those pictures sit on your phone, this is a good way to start earning passive income. So this next one is something that I also love because I have benefited from it greatly, which is for you to develop an online course and sell in online marketplaces like Udemy that we all know, or Skillshare. So say you have so much knowledge about a subject and you are very good at teaching, you can develop a course on platforms like Kajabi that helps you set up your course on autopilot without you having to monitor it from time to time. And one of the things I love about online courses is that initially you might have to invest a lot of time to set it up, create the content, have it reviewed and certified. However, once the courses are created, you don't need to teach it over and over to lots of students. One course can generate so much revenue for you. It keeps generating income, and you can teach people across the world, so you can expand your reach to multiple people around the world. So say you want to teach creative skills, you should definitely check out Skillshare. And if you want a more engaging experience with your course, you should check out Experienceify, which is a way to gamify your course. So this next one is something that I love, and you're seeing me do right now. That is for you to start a YouTube channel. Yes. So this for me stands between an active income and a passive income. The fact that you have to work, like I'm currently working to create this content. I'm exchanging my time right now so you guys can watch. However, after creating this video and I upload it, the video keeps running, and when it earns revenue, it earns revenue every time people view my video. It might actually take a lot of time to get to that level where you begin to earn revenue. And on YouTube, to start earning revenue, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and a minimum of 4,000 public watch hours. However, I don't want you to be discouraged by this, because a lot of people on YouTube are earning lots of money, lots and lots of money. One of the things I've noticed about YouTube is that each YouTuber's journey is different. So understand that there is something unique about you that people want to see. So bring your game on and show the world what you have on YouTube. So if you don't mind showing your face, you don't mind dressing up to create content, and there are several content also that you can create without showing your face. I've seen a lot of videos where the creators don't show their faces at all. However, they generate lots of views, they generate lots of watch hours. So don't be discouraged by that. If you're not sure about content to create or topics to talk about, I already have some content that I have listed. They're on my Instagram page. You can check them out, and I also try to put some screenshots here so that you can also be motivated and inspired. And with that, if you think that YouTube is not for you, but you love writing is your A game, then you can start a blog about a subject that you're passionate about. You can start a blog about fashion, about medicine, about health, about skin, whatever it is that works for you, that interests you and motivates you to write. And you can monetize the blog. People monetize blogs similar to the way we monetize YouTube. Like on YouTube, you don't earn money only from ads revenue. You earn money through brand sponsorship, through affiliate marketing, even through marketing your own product as well. Say you're a coach, when you coach people and people buy your course, because of that platform, you're earning some passive revenue. Same thing, you can do that on your blog. So if you gain enough followership on your blog, you can post affiliate links on your blog. You can get some brand content sponsored on your blogs. You can also earn some revenue from Google. That is a good way for you to earn some revenue. And in that line, the next I want to discuss with you is affiliate marketing, which is a way for you to earn revenue by advertising links on your blog page, on your channel, on your personal website, or other platforms that you have. One of the things I like about affiliate marketing is that you share links about product that you've already used or product that you were going to buy either ways. Yeah, you share links, and when people shop through those links, you get some commission from the advertiser. One of my observations in the US is that most of the sites that we shop from actually provide this opportunity. Like when you scroll to the bottom of their website, you will see things like affiliate marketing, become an affiliate marketer, and all of that. So for products that you already use, you can check out these sites and see if they offer this advantage, and you can begin to get some advertising revenue from them. So a good way to do this, say for instance you have an Instagram page and you have a large following, a large audience, that people have been asking you where you get your clothes, where you get your hair, where you get your shoes, and you like taking nice pictures. A good way to earn revenue is to become an affiliate marketer for that brand that you're always wearing, so that every time you refer people, you're earning some income. And that way, the money you're probably investing in buying the products, you're getting them back one directly or indirectly, because you were going to buy those products in the first place. So that's one of the things I love about affiliate marketing. You should also know about affiliate marketing is that you don't need to have a large audience or following to start. The important thing is to have a platform or a place to put links that people can click, they can see what you're showcasing and buy for themselves. You don't need to have 10,000 followers, 10,000 subscribers. You can start with the audience that you have. Start where you are right now. So for me, this one involves no capital outlay, because the product that you're showcasing are products that you use, that you were going to buy regardless of the revenue in the first place. So if you have not considered this, check those websites now. Go to their website, check on the bottom page, and start earning revenue. So if you do not like the idea of writing or the hassles that come with setting up filming equipment to shoot this like I'm currently doing now with my ring light and my camera, then you should consider the idea of starting a podcast. With podcasts, you don't need to show your face, you don't need to dress up, you just record with your phone, and you can host on platforms like Buzzsprout. Also, your podcast can be monetized through channels like affiliate marketing, sponsored content, branded content, and the like. You can also offer paid subscription for your podcast. That is after you have built a large following. I would recommend that you start by giving free content, and when you have gotten the loyalty and trust of your audience, then you can begin to give some content on paid subscription. However, before you get to that level, you can still consider the idea of affiliate marketing like we've discussed before, and also reach out to brands that are related to your content. So this next one might not be for everybody. However, if you have an intellectual property that you've worked on, say music, a book, artwork, or any other thing that's probably patented that you have worked on, and the only thing that is generating income from you now is sales of the product, I would like to recommend to you that you consider royalties income. With royalties income, you give people permission to use your work in exchange for that income, and they are usually bound by legal contracts. So you should speak to your legal advisor or your financial advisor to see how you can tap into this if you're not already doing so. This can also be an inspiration to you to start that work that you have been pushing aside to do. If there's a book you've been meaning to write, if there's a song you've been meaning to sing, if there's an artwork you've been meaning to do, this is the inspiration for you to start, because there are different avenues through which you can earn money with that product. And this last one is for you to build an app. Don't worry, programming is not a limitation. You can always learn how to code, and if you're not interested in that, you can hire a developer to build the app for you, in which case you would have to part with some money to have that done. However, there are different ways through which you can earn revenue with your apps. You can either build free app or you can build a paid app. With free app, you can earn revenue through in-app purchases, sponsored content, or even selling products on your apps. Or you can decide that after a period of free trial, people then begin to pay subscription, whichever one works for you. One thing you should know about apps is you continue to earn money monthly until the app is probably not used by people anymore. Currently now there are a lot of apps on Google Play Store, on iPhone Play Store, but it is not a deterrent for you to start, because your product might be unique and different. The important thing is to ensure that the product that you are building an app for is something that will make the lives of people better, probably aid their productivity, simplify processes for them, whatever it is that will make the lives of people easier. Just find it to do and build your app around it, and you're already in tech and you're making money. So ensure that your app is providing value. At the early stage, you might need to do some form of marketing to get the word out there and get a lot of people to download your apps. But as time goes on, when you're able to earn the trust of your audience, people will begin to refer others to the apps themselves. If you've considered it but you've not started working on it, this is another pointer for you to get. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope that you have found this content valuable. Kindly go ahead to hit the like button so more people on YouTube can view this content. Also hit the subscribe button if you're yet to. Let's grow this community, and the notification bell is right next to it. Ensure that you hit that as well so you get notified whenever I share new content. And with that, I'll see you in my next one. Until then, stay blessed. Bye.